Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, in the previous topic we have discussed about the line spectrums of the hydrogen related to the Bohr's theory, and now in this topic we are going to talk about the limitation of the Bohr theory for an atom. So what are those? Let me talk about that in this topic. So friends, as we have discussed in our previous topic, that is how Bohr have given a very strong proof for the structure of atom, but it was not valid for too long. The reason behind that is there were some limitations, there were some drawbacks related to the theory. So what are the limitations, what are the demerits? That is what I want to talk about. So talking about the first demerit or the limitation, that is Bohr have explained the line spectrum for the hydrogen. That is what we have discussed in our previous topic also, but it has not explained it clearly. That is how the clear line spectrums are being obtained nowadays by the sophisticated spectroscopic techniques. So that was a biggest drawback or the limitation. So talking about the next drawback, the line spectrum that was being observed for the hydrogen, Bohr couldn't explain for the other atoms like lithium, which has more than one electron or proton in it. So that was a biggest drawback because it was limited up till the hydrogen only. So talking about the next point, we have Bohr theory couldn't explain the splitting of the spectral lines through magnetic field as well as in electric field. Magnetic field, in the sense, this is known as the Siemens effect, and electric field, that is known as Stark effect. So that was not being explained by the Bohr's theory. And talking about the next point is the next limitation of the Bohr theory is Bohr failed to explain why an atom forms a bond with another atom. So this bonding between the two atoms wasn't explained by Bohr, and that were the limitations of the Bohr theory. And that's it. So thank you friends for watching this video. I hope you have understood this video very clearly, and I hope I'll see you next time. Till then, don't forget to subscribe Ekeeda channel. Thank you so much.